Hey guys, welcome to lesson 4. In the previous lesson, we created the base for our alien. In this lesson, we'll be preparing the 3D model for printing. What I'm going to do now is modify the base so its surface isn't that perfect. I want it irregular. So select the Trim Dynamic brush to polish and smooth the edges. Okay, something like that. We're doing it to create some irregularity, okay? Guys, when creating the base, bear in mind that it's intended for printing, so it needs to be solid enough. Don't create a weak structure since it may break once printed. Also, when working with advanced models, like those for toys and commercial purposes, it's common to separate parts and fit them together later. This is a more advanced step, and it's unnecessary in this case since we are just creating a bust. Okay? Let's polish the inferior part of the base as well, okay? Okay, also here. Well, guys, let's try to get this worn out effect, like resembling stone surface. Perfect, so this part is ready. Now we'll start working with brushes to add textures. So click on Standard at the bottom. Then we're going to select some alphas that I'm going to import. You can download them from different sites. Even set brush site offers some options, and you can download some default alphas from there. In my case, I'm going to import them directly from a folder. Let's see. So you have this folder containing different alphas. As you can see, there are a lot of them. I downloaded them for different projects. And others are mine. I created them. Okay, this one. Perfect. And select this option. Deactivate the symmetry and let's see the results. Deactivate the Dynamesh and insert a lot of subdivisions. I'm going to apply the texture to the base, although we would need to convert all this into Dynamesh. So select the first model and merge them. Select the bust, go to merge, and click on merge down and always. Do the same with all the subtools. Merge down, and also with the eyes. Perfect. Cool, so we've merged all the elements into a single model. And now we're going to add texture to the base. I'm going to reduce the intensity. Guys, you need to be patient and careful. Use the brush we selected to add texture to this area, okay? Guys, it's ideal to have a lot of alphas, as the more alphas you have, the more things you can do. Cool, I'm going to display this part in fast motion. Well, first I'm going to load another alpha, and I'm going to display this part in fast motion, as I was saying, because as you can see, it's just about adding stone-like texture to the support and the base. And then after that, we'll add some sort of scales to the alien's bust. Okay, which is the texture we are going to use for the alien. As I mentioned before, it's important to exaggerate the details so they are kept after printing. So that's very important, okay? And these are the scales I was talking about. Change the effect and tweak the intensity to get the best result possible, okay? And just keep working. Well, in the next lesson, we'll be preparing the plugin for 3D printing. It still remains to add some details, so I'll finish them to get it ready for the next lesson. You do the same at home and see you in the next lesson.